A large data center server farm operating 24/7 command center monitoring using Azure Fabric provides in-depth data analysis for operations. It's 4 a.m. in the morning. Azure Fabric reports one of the servers running hot within the data center.
Server is operating at 85 degrees Celsius due to a fan underperformance and suggesting to check the fan within power module.
Agentic AI sends notification to all relevant employees. The on-site overnight engineer sees the response and dispatches an on-call engineer to troubleshoot the problem. The on-call engineer tries to find the server in the data center, but since he is a new employee, he has a problem finding his way around. Fekki augmented reality in play. By using Fekki, the on-site engineer would simply search the server name, and Fekki would navigate using VPS positioning and guide him through the data center, displaying the optimal route between the racks and other resources. Fekki leverages Azure Cognitive Services API for intelligent assistance to locate the rack and the right server. Fekki, using Azure Cognitive Services, provides step-by-step instructions to replace the power supply module. Fekki displays the health of the system on the XR device, heads-up display. Command Center gets updated with server details, and the monitoring alarm is cleared. Visualize anything and everything using Fekki.